Moving into our next award, which is Transforming Lives Through Orthopedic Care and Mobility Restoration, and the award goes to
Dr. Ravi Sankar Katragadda is one of Eastern India's most respected orthopedic surgeons, with over 3 decades of experience in restoring mobility and improving quality of life for patients. A pioneer in advancing orthopedic care in Odisha, he played a key role in popularizing modern joint replacement and spine surgery in the region, helping thousands of patients regain independence and return to active lives. Internationally trained in the United Kingdom with prestigious qualifications including FRCS and MCH Orthopedics, Dr. Katragadda combines global expertise with compassionate, patient-centric care. As co-founder of Shri Hospitals, he has been instrumental in establishing advanced orthopedic services and monitoring future surgeons. Through surgical excellence, innovation, and unwavering dedication, he continues to transform lives through orthopedic care and mobility restoration.